But Kunal, in terms of individual stocks, you think consumption is back with a bang, and would those trades actually hold through, be it a Titan, ITC, Tata Consumer, or even Unilever, which is going to react to its numbers today?
I think Titan is a strong case of a breakout because the stock has been a big drag underperformer 6 months, I think, on a trot where the stock had gone through a correction. But right now, what we are seeing after yesterday's price up move, that the stock has managed to come back closer to its 200 DMA, and I think a breakout about this level by a margin of one or 2 percentage points could probably help the trigger on the upside for Titan. So yes, I think the charts look a lot more optimistic over here. HUL has been doing fantastically well, and so is the case with many of the other FMCG stocks, Britannia, etc. These stocks have been trading with a very strong positive bias over the last 1.5 odd months. So I believe that the trend should sustain and continue for these names. A buy and dip strategy is what I would advise. In terms of individual stocks, I would go with one buy and one sell. The first one is a buy in HCL Tech. That's a chart which is starting to look attractive. As I mentioned, large cap IT stocks starting to look a lot more positive at current levels. Targets of 1630 and stop loss at 1575. And Godrej Properties is what I would recommend as a sell. The stock gave a short-term breakdown, so would suggest a target of 3100 and stop loss at 3180.
All right, let's find out, Vaishali, what your top recommendations are. You're talking about a sideways market. So in light of this, what's the stock-specific strategy?
So yes, one of the stocks that I've chosen is from the IT sector, and that's LTTS. It's 5125. So of course, this is going to be a positional trade. So 4800 acts as a stop loss, and I would be looking at a target of 5500. So this is one positional trade. And in the cash category, I'm looking at Protean. It is a BSE stock. Yesterday, it did surge high with very good volume, and it did manage to retest the previous high. So I think in all likelihood, this is ready for a breakout. And I would say 1550 acts as a support or rather stop loss. And I would look for a target of 2000 from here on. So Protean is another stock to my liking right now in the cash category.
Okay, those are a bunch of stocks which are going to be in focus this morning, as would be Unilever as well as Bajaj Finance. Remember, both those earnings slated. In fact, for Unilever, it's been an inline set. The numbers came in post-market hours yesterday. Volume growth has managed to beat the estimate. For Bajaj Finance, though, it's a weak set, and their credit cost managed to spike about 2.25%. So don't know whether they could be further off a negative news flow, because some of these stocks in any case have been underperforming off late.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.